Welcome to Parents and Caregivers. I'm Sarah. The devotion and commitment you shower into caring for a child or adult with special needs is infinite. It's a journey that requires great strength and patience, even if just for 5 minutes. Let's reconnect with your own well-being. Start by taking a moment to find a relaxing space, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently. Allow your body to settle into the space. Take a gentle breath in and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Remember, you're not alone. Together, let's create a space of calm and peace. Now take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. Then slowly exhale through your mouth and let go of any tension. Breathing slowly, bring your awareness to your feet and your legs. Imagine that your feet and the legs are connected to the earth, and with each breath, you're drawing up the strength and stability of the earth. Feel the support beneath you, grounding you and holding you up. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the tension in your feet and your legs begin to melt away, leaving them feeling light and relaxed. Let's bring your focus to your hips and your lower back. Taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine that you're releasing all the worries and responsibilities that have been weighing on you. Feel the tension in your hips and lower back begin to dissolve, leaving you feeling more at ease. Move your attention to your chest and shoulders. Imagine that with each breath, you're releasing the weight of your worries. Feel your shoulders dropping and relaxing, your chest opening and expanding. Allow yourself to feel lighter and more spacious inside. Finally, bring your focus to your neck, face, and your head. Taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tightness in your jaw, your forehead, and your eyes. Begin to feel your face softening and relaxing, and your mind becoming quieter and more peaceful. Now that your body feels more relaxed, take a moment to acknowledge the incredible work you do every day. You're a superhero in your own right, caring for someone with special needs with love and dedication. Even on the hardest days, you show up and give your all. Take a deep breath in and say to yourself, I'm strong, I'm capable, I'm enough. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to feel gratitude for this time of self-care. Remember, you're doing an incredible job. Set an intention for today to be present, to be kind to yourself, and to find moments of joy. When you're ready, Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Carry the sense of calm and compassion with you as you continue your day. Know that you're doing an amazing job and that you're loved and appreciated. Namaste.